In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Webex meeting recording. To get started, open the Webex app and go to the meeting you want to record. Make sure you've already joined the meeting and that everything you want to capture is ready before you begin. This helps avoid missing any important part of the conversation or presentation. Once you're inside the meeting, look at the controls below the meeting window. This is where you'll find the recording option. When you're ready, click on Record and then click again to start the recording. After you do that, Webex will begin capturing the meeting. It's a good idea to briefly confirm that recording has started so you know the session is being saved properly. When you're finished recording, go back to that same record option, click on it, then choose Stop to end the recording. This step is important because it tells Webex to finalize the video correctly. If you leave the meeting without stopping the recording first, it may take longer to process depending on your setup. After that, end the meeting as you normally would. Once the meeting has ended, the video will automatically save to your default location. Webex usually handles this part on its own, so you won't need to manually move the file right away unless you want to organize it later. You should also see a notification appear in the bottom right corner, letting you know that your recording is ready. This is a helpful confirmation that the file has been processed and saved successfully. To open the saved video right away, click on the folder icon in that notification. That will take you directly to the location of the recorded file so you can review it, rename it, or move it wherever you'd like. And that's how to save a Webex meeting recording.